Your home is your fortress, and it must be properly protected from unauthorized access at any times. The best solution for the task is the installation of a security system. But unfortunately, many people pass on the opportunity to fend off intruders, being unwilling to get locked into a long-time contract with a security system provider. Luckily, there are plenty of modern do-it-yourself solutions that give you the flexibility of self-installation and monitoring of your house, and only offer contractual services if you want to get complete peace of mind. In this video, we will briefly review the best DIY security systems on the market, their prices and major features. So subscribe to Must See Tech channel, ring the bell to be the first one to learn about the new episodes, and let's roll! Ring Alarm. Developed by Amazon-owned Ring, this DIY security system offers hassle-free integration with Alexa and can be managed via the voice assistant. The starting kit includes just 5 units and takes minutes to install and pair with your phone via the Ring app. For the price of $199, you get a base station with a 24-hour backup battery and optional cellular backup, plus 1 door contact sensor, 1 motion detector, a range extender, and a keypad for in-home control. The system can be used for self-monitoring or hooked to the Ring's emergency support for $10 a month. Plus, it is compatible with a variety of Ring devices, from smoke and flood sensors to video doorbells and security cameras. Honeywell Smart Home Security. If you're looking for an all-in-one smart camera security solution for your home, look no further, as the Honeywell Starter Kit might be the ideal choice. The kit includes a base station with a 1080p wide-angle camera, Alexa integration and face recognition that is connected to a mobile app on your phone. When the system detects unwanted motion inside your home, it records video to a cloud storage and sends an alert to your phone so you can notify the authorities. It also comes with 2 door and window sensors that detect opening, so don't be surprised when Honeywell reminds you of an open door or window. In addition, the kit is compatible with IFTTT apps, and of course you can expand your home security at any time by adding other indoor and outdoor sensors. Google Nest. If you're already using Google smart devices to automate your residence, then the Nest system might be the best option to secure it as well. The alarm set is comprised of the Nest Guard, which combines functions of an alarm, a keypad, and a motion sensor with built-in Google Assistant. The Nest Detect Open, Close, and Motion Sensor combo, and the Nest Tag to easily arm and disarm the system. The list of the add-ons to the Nest Alarm is endless. Subscription perks are optional and rather affordable, and the professional installation is on offer. Among the downsides of the Nest, we should highlight high initial price of the basic kit and the issue of privacy. Google is known for collecting tons of personal data, so consumers might want to think twice before adding personal security to the list of tasks that the internet giant is taking care of for them. Ajax Systems. This wireless no-subscription security system might be rather unknown for the American consumer, but as the manufacturer states, it is the most awarded self-installation solution in Europe. Ajax was founded in 2011. Its R&D and production facilities are situated in Ukraine, and the system is already sold in 80+ countries. Besides an extremely intuitive application compatible with Apple and Android devices and an ever-growing number of sensors and functions, the kit is distinguished by unusually attractive design. The hub and sensors are sold in either white or black colors and can serve as the highlight to the interior of your residence. The current starter kit costs $228 and is comprised of one motion sensor, one door or window sensor that can detect vibrations, and one key fob to arm and disarm the security. Leave a like if you are enjoying our format, and follow the links in the description if you would like to purchase on Amazon any of the presented systems. Let's keep rolling. Front point. The security system is one of those that could be easily installed on your own, but to get the major benefits of the package, you will have to commit to a long-time contract at around $45 per month. The minimum hardware purchase includes $430 worth of components at the price of just $69, including a hub, a keypad, 2 door window sensors, a single motion sensor, and some signs to let the intruders know that you're protected. For multiple years in a row, the company has been rated as the one that has the best customer service in the business. There are no hidden fees, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the selection of security components is truly vast. Besides the contract requirements, the list of front point's cons joins the fact that some of the components have rather outdated design, so they might not become a highlight of your smart home setup. SimpliSafe. Thanks to the extremely simple and no-tools installation process, the SimpliSafe is widely regarded as one of the best DIY security systems out there. It is smartphone compatible and fully wireless, has standard cell connectivity and 24-hour power backup, but you have to pay at least $15 per month for SimpliSafe professional monitoring services. The company's foundation kit consists of just 4 items, including the base station and 2 sensors, so it is perfect for the studio apartments or condos. When the system detects an intruder, it alerts the SimpliSafe monitoring center and activates the 95 dB siren at the base station. However, if you have a larger apartment or a house, the company offers more extensive monitoring systems with additional smoke, motion, and entry sensors. Almond Guard. Securify, the company behind the Almond Guard system, is taking a different approach to home security. They are not highlighting the variety of sensors that could be installed in your house, but rather focus on the smart hub brains of their system, the Almond. In essence, it is a router that packs cybersecurity, home security, smart home, and mesh Wi-Fi features all in one solution. The in-house developed sensors are rather crude and outdated, so you should consider integration with Alexa, Nest, Echo, or many other compatible systems. Among the noteworthy features, we can highlight automatic arming and disarming when the occupants leave or approach the house. You can monitor your home for free or use an affordable police response and intruder alert service, and your privacy is completely protected from cyber attacks. Lifeshield. When discussing base home security DIY kits, the shield from the ADT company Lifeshield is one of the most equipped systems for the money. Priced at $200, it gets you plenty of standard equipment, such as a base station, a keypad, 4 door and window sensors, a single motion sensor, a fire safety sensor, and even an Asus tablet to manage it. Plus, there is a month of free professional monitoring services. The system also offers 4 levels of protection from power outage and connection losses, represented by the internet, landline and cell network access, and a backup battery good for 24 hours. The base station also has a built-in 105 decibel siren, sends notifications to your phone, and can be armed or disarmed using Alexa voice commands. Do you agree that home security system is absolutely vital in modern world? Did we miss any of the great DIY solutions that are sold on the market today? Share in the comments below the video. Consider watching some other episodes on our channel by tapping the icons on the screen. Shop on Amazon through the links in the description, subscribe to Must See Tech, and come back soon.